Guys, Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com here. So my store is out of the liquid Persil already, but the liquid Persil is on sale, 2 for $9.99, as well as the discs. There is a $5 off coupon for the discs. I'll put the link to it above or below this video. You may have a problem using it at your store. Some stores say it's on their fraud list. You can try showing your cashier or manager where you printed the coupon from if you have a problem. But if you use it, it's free on these guys if they allow you to use it. Additionally, the liquid is on sale, 2 for $9.99, and we have a $2 off coupon on the 40-ounce liquid. There's also a insert coupon for $2 off one. So buy one, use one of the Purple Flyer coupon and one of the insert coupon and pay just $1 a bottle. These coupons expire on 10/4, the Purple Flyer coupon, so you want to hurry up and come out and grab this deal. Happy couponing.